Hello friends, welcome to the another video of operation of KUKA robot. Let's continue from the monitor functions. Displaying the actual position. Procedure. In the main menu, select display actual position. The Cartesian actual position is displayed. To display the axis specific actual position, press axis specific. To display the Cartesian actual position again, press Cartesian. Description. Actual position Cartesian. The current position and orientation of the TCP are displayed. Status and turn are also displayed. Actual position axis specific. The current position of axis A1 to A6 is indicated. If external axes are being used, the position of the external axis is also displayed. The actual position can also be displayed while the robot is moving. Next is displaying digital inputs oblique outputs. Procedure. In the main menu, select display inputs oblique outputs digital I/O. To display a specific input output, click on the Go To button. The Go To box is displayed. Enter the number and confirm with the Enter key. The display jumps to the input output with this number. Digital outputs. 1. Input output number. Second, value of the input output. The icon is red if the input or output is true. Third, sim entry. The input output is simulated. SYS entry. The value of the input output is saved in a system variable. This input output is write protected. Fourth, name of the input output. The following buttons are available. -100 toggles back 100 inputs or outputs in the display. +100 toggles forward 100 inputs or outputs in the display. Go to. The number of the input or output being searched for can be entered. Value toggles the selected input output between true and false. Precondition. The enabling switch is pressed. This button is not available in AUT external mode and is only available for inputs if simulation is activated. Name. The name of the selected input or output can be changed. Next is displaying analog inputs outputs. Procedure. In the main menu, select display inputs outputs analog I/O. To display a specific input output, click on the Go To button. The Go To box is displayed. Enter the number and confirm with the Enter key. The display jumps to the input output with this number. The following buttons are available. Go to. The number of the input or output being searched for can be entered. Voltage. A voltage can be entered for the selected output. -100 to 10 volt. This button is only available for outputs. Name. The name of the selected input or output can be changed. Next is displaying inputs outputs for automatic external. Procedure. In the main menu, select display inputs outputs automatic external. Automatic external outputs detail view. One is number. Second is status gray inactive false, red active true. Third is long text name of the input output. Fourth is type green input output, yellow variable or system variable. Fifth, name of the signal or variable. 6. Input output number or channel number. Columns 4, 5 and 6 are only displayed if details has been pressed. The following buttons are available. Button configuration switches to the configuration of the automatic external interface. Inputs outputs toggles between the windows for inputs and outputs. Details normal toggles between the details and normal views. Next is displaying and modifying the value of a variable. Precondition. To modify a variable, expert user group. Procedure. In the main menu, select display variable single. The variable display single window is opened. Enter the name of the variable in the name box and confirm with the Enter key. If a program has been selected, it is automatically entered in the module box. If a variable from a different program is to be displayed, enter the program as follows. Do not specify a folder between R1 and the program name. Do not add a file extension to the file name. In the case of system variables, no program needs to be specified in the module box. The current value of a variable is displayed in the current value box. If nothing is displayed, no value has yet been assigned to the variable. To modify the variable, enter the desired value in the new value box. Press the set value button. The new value is displayed in the current value box. Description. Item 1. Name of the variable to be modified. New value to be assigned to the variable. Program in which the search for the variable is to be carried out. In the case of system variables, the module box is irrelevant. Fourth, this box has two states. The displayed value is not refreshed automatically. The displayed value is refreshed automatically. Switching between the states, press refresh. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from displaying the state of a variable.